The overarching development objective of this project is to accelerate the elimination of child labor in Africa, fostering an integrated approach to eliminate child labor at the sub-national, national, and global levels. In its Kenya segment, the project will concentrate on the tea and coffee supply chains. The project aims at improving and enforcing policy and legal and institutional frameworks to address child labor in global supply chains, and to be able to institutionalize and innovate and give evidence-based solutions that address the root causes of child labor in these supply chains, as well as strengthen the partnership, acknowledging sharing among global supply chains actors in Africa. I'm happy to note that this project is being supported by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Office of the Netherlands Government, and will be implemented in these 4 counties of Kirinyaga, Meru, Richo, and Kisii. As a ministry, we are truly grateful to ILO and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs Netherlands Government for choosing to implement this project in Kenya. Ladies and gentlemen, as a member of ILO, we are obligated to fulfill all the requirements for not only the Convention number 182 on the elimination of worst forms of child labor, but also on Convention number 138 on the minimum age for admission to employment. We are glad that the Constitution of Kenya affords and guarantees children the right to free and compulsory basic education and protection from abuse, inhuman treatment, and hazardous or exploitative labor. In addition, the Employment Act 2007 prohibits employment of children, especially on the worst forms. My ministry has implemented several ILO projects in the previous years, such as the TACO project, supporting national action and planning for elimination of child labor, the SNAP project, the International Program on the Elimination of Child Labor, IPEC project. We had the Time-Bound project, and recently the CAPSA project, that is capacity strengthening of governments to address child labor and forced labor and violations of acceptable conditions of work. They were all working towards eliminating child labor and its worst forms. Kenya is also in the process of joining Alliance 8.7 as Pathfinder country, which aims at promoting accelerated action to eradicate forced labor, modern slavery, human trafficking, and child labor. This places Kenya in the international map in the activities that will aim at ending all the forms of child labor. As a ministry, we are ready to work and collaborate closely with our social partners, the county governments, the non-governmental organizations, and development partners to protect our children from child labor and other related vices through implementing this ILO Axel project. Ladies and gentlemen, agriculture is the backbone of our Kenyan economy, and therefore tea and coffee will feature greatly as a major cash crop and export earner for Kenya. Studies have also shown that child labor is prevalent in the agricultural sector, and therefore this project comes at an opportune time to accelerate elimination of child labor in the supply chains of tea and coffee. This project will directly benefit workers and children of legal working age at lower tiers of supply chains. Will also gain access to social protection schemes. They will also be able to receive improved occupational safety and health in their workplaces and be able to obtain financial services and participate in vocational training, apprenticeship, and career guidance programs.